Hello, my name is Sean Mulheron. I've been with EPLAN since 1993, and since 2013 I'm part of the product management team. So I'm working out of Detroit, Michigan, but reporting to the headquarters back in Germany, making sure that we capture requirements of our customers worldwide in terms of functionality, workflows, and additional added value for the software. So the industries that we mainly serve are machine builders, and we are predominantly in the controls area, controls environment. So anything that has to do with control equipment on machinery, systems, plants, and tools. So EPLAN offers a suite of different solutions to support our customers to create those control systems. So the fab word, or the popular word right now, the term is digital twin, and we are right center in the middle of it. We're the digital twin of the control systems. Whether you need to create your schematics to identify how everything is connected, we provide solutions to help you design those schematics efficiently and quickly. Or if you need to build your control cabinet, we provide the digital twin of that control cabinet, showcasing exactly how those components are installed within the electrical space. And the solutions that we provide work all on the same data platform. We really, through the data-driven approach, give you an in-depth view of the control system. What is connected to what? How are they connected to each other? And then how are they positioned within the machines? How are the cables routed? How are the cables connected? How are the PLC and IOs connected to each other? So those are all aspects that we can handle very easily and efficiently in our system, really providing the digital twin of the control system to our customers. So you can really see huge and tremendous time savings from, in a conservative aspect on our marketing slogans, we talk about 20, 30, 40%. But once we implement them, we see closer to 60, 70, 80% of time savings on a real project. And those are tremendous savings that help our customers move forward, innovate, and grow using our solutions. Our partnership with Rockwell has been long-standing, and we're currently a technology gold partner. In the early stages of the partnership, we were providing data to the data portal from the Rockwell components. Over 32,000 Rockwell components have been uploaded to the data portal and now are available for the EPLAN users to directly integrate into their designs. Another aspect of the partnership was an interface to the Studio 5000. Providing data from the schematics